So I'm at Mills CNC today. I've come to look at this brand new Doosan machine. Now this is a Lynx 2600 SY. This is one of two models. They also do the 2600Y, which is a machine that is just a single spindle as opposed to this one, which has two spindles. Doosan have developed this following continual research and development, talking to their customers about what sort of machine they would like within the range. Now this particular model, well in fact the Lynx range, or the Lynx machines themselves, I heard a statistic earlier that there's over 40,000 or around about 40,000 machines installed around the globe. So these machines sell not just on the technical capabilities but their reputation as well. So let's have a very quick look at what this machine offers. I'm going to start with the main spindle here. Now you'll see it's a two spindle machine, but the main spindle here has a whopping 81mm bar capacity. This is like nothing else. I mean, I haven't seen or rarely see machines of this size with that bar capacity. That means you can bar feed up to 81mm diameter on this 10-inch chuck. Let's move on to the turret. Now this is a 12-station turret, but it has 24-point indexing, and they also have some of their own unique patented hardware within this turret, which is actually air and oil cooled, which means you can well, it takes the heat out of the machining processes and means that you can machine up to 5,000 RPM with this BMT 55 turret. 2-point indexing, so you've got 24 stations too. Let's have a look at the sub spindle. Having a sub spindle means you can do one-hit machining, and that's when you see the swarf in this machine at the moment and the coolant, that's because we've just been doing a component which you will see here, which has been done in one hit. Now this is typically the type of part that this machine is more than capable of doing very, very quickly. Machinists and operators these days, they want to make parts in one hit, and that is exactly what this Doosan LYNX machine can do. The final point I wanted to make inside the machine is the y-axis, plus or minus 52.5 mil, means you've got over a whopping 100mm stroke on the y-axis. Now how about the control system, how it all works? This is the Doosan HMI FANUC system. This has the easy operation package from Doosan, which it's a touchscreen control. It's a 15-inch touchscreen control. It means it walks you through the creation of programs, but not only that, it also supports you and helps you when it comes to maintenance and planning. It is the latest in control innovation. Now the machine itself, as you see it sighted here, it comes with all of the equipment that you can see. We've got a parts conveyor, a parts catcher, a tool setting arm. All of this is available from Mills CNC. This machine is actually sold. It only came here last week. We're one of the first to see it, but it's already sold. Another machine has already been sold as well, but there is more on the water. If you're interested in great value for money, one-hit machining, or in fact a Lynx with a single spindle and a y-axis, contact Mills CNC via their website, millscnc.co.uk.